Hello, everybody. Sorry for the delay in getting this email out. It's Sunday night. I typically, there may be a day or two during the weekend, probably from Friday afternoon, probably till Sunday evening. I might be offline or not accessible. So my apologies for the delay in getting this out. But this will apply to, to your locating material in the library, particularly for your final paper. So let's go up here. Let's go. I picked one of my online sections I'm teaching, 508, but this applies to whether you're in one of my live courses or in one of my online courses. So let's go up here. So this is going to look like, let me go back out here and change this to view a student. So now I'm looking at this just as you would look at it, okay? I'm going to go up here now to where it says Course Tools, all right? Click this link here. It's not, why is this not student resources? Okay, let's go. So it's not there. I thought it was under, I thought I'd seen it under there, but let's go to student resources here. Click on this. Okay, so it's there on your homepage, student resources. Scroll down here and click on library. Let's click on Sinclair Library. Right? Now, a lot of you have asked about how to find a peer-reviewed article, right? You're working on this paper, right? So what I'm going to do down there, I'm going to go cyberbullying, and I've searched by keywords, but you can go over. What I would suggest doing is going over and clicking on articles. Okay, so let's click here. Before we click, here's a couple of things that are going to cut everything right out and make everything very easy for you. Click full text. Note that in the assignment, it asks for a peer-reviewed article. All you have to do to ensure that you get a peer-reviewed article is to click here. So click full text and peer-reviewed. Click search. It's thinking. And then Sinclair's Library, EBSCO host. Okay. I put cyberbullying down. Okay, I don't know why it came up with this. Okay, log in as a guest. So I've got to log in. Hopefully, that was a very strange, but sometimes this is informative. Okay, no keyword, no, and I put down keyword. Let's go cyberbullying. That's social media. Okay, we'll click in there. Now, there's some other things that you can do too, right? Before you get down here. Notice down here there's a kind of a date. You got full text and you got scholarly. The library knows that you know how to do this. But I think 2006 is pretty early. So let's click in 2013, and plus you came up with darn near 4,000 articles. So 2013, and I'm going to say that's probably a good idea. And I'm going to click now. I'm going to go back up here, and it's going to update it. I click the search button, and so I've got 2013 to 2023. Okay. And, I've got, notice what I've got here, okay? You've got different articles. You've got some Turkish authors down here, social media. You could limit it to the United States. So what you've done then, so let's try just limiting it to United States or English-speaking countries or whatever. Let's go down here, geography. I'm going to go USA. And that took us down to 93. That's just stuff published here in the United States, okay? And you've got articles. Okay, so here's the thing as you're scanning the Sinclair Library, okay? If you go down here, right, you know, and these are some really sad articles, but what happens is, social media, cyberbullying, risk factors. Okay, anything down here as you're scanning that says full text, HTML full text or PDF full text, you're a winner. You've got a winner. Let's pull this up here. This sounds like a pretty serious issue. Okay, now here's some other neat tricks that you can do. Right, you can save this. Right. You can save it. You can also cite it. Okay, so what happens is this. Okay, so we go cite. Let's do that. Okay, now you're going to see a bunch of different stuff here. What you're going to want to look for is there's AMA, there's APA. Now, here's what I'm going to allow you to do. Right, it asks for American Sociological Association citation format. You can use American Psychological Association, which is down here, okay? And all you do, here's what you do. You just go like this. This is not copying. This is not plagiarism. You're not going to get in trouble. In fact, make your life easier, okay? When you're writing your paper, just go over here, hit Control-C or hit copy or whatever, and copy this into the references section of your paper, okay? Boom, you're done, right? You for this assignment, this writing assignment, you have to have 2 articles, okay? Here's how you do it. Make things easy on yourself, please. I recommend that you watch this video and you stop it at any point, rewind it, stop it, and just watch it a couple of times and stop it. And walk through, and you should be in great shape. Okay, thanks, and sorry this is coming out on Sunday night, but this is going to help you with this and with subsequent assignments that are similar. All right, take care.